MTU Aero Engines is Germany's leading engine manufacturer and an established global player in the industry. It engages in the development, manufacture, marketing and support of aircraft engines in all thrust and power categories, as well as industrial gas turbines. Innovation is the moving force behind MTU Aero Engines, which sometimes also means having to cope with challenges.
From an economic point of view, we have to reduce the production costs of our parts. From a technical point of view, we have to further reduce the fuel consumption of aero engines in the future. And to reduce the fuel consumption of our engines in the future, we further have to improve our part design.
MTU is using e-manufacturing from EOS, the leading partner for the development and supply of innovative manufacturing solutions to design and further develop engine parts. The innovative technology liberates designers from the restrictions of conventional manufacturing technologies. As such, we move from manufacturing-driven design to design-driven manufacturing. E-manufacturing makes it possible to produce customized products with highly complex shapes, which up until now would have been inconceivable or hardly achievable using conventional series manufacturing methods. Aerospace is one of the main growth markets for e-manufacturing.
So one essential advantage of the additive manufacturing is the short lead times in the development phase. Further, one big advantage in the future will be to really use the possibilities of complex designs, to have new designs for lightweight, for internal structures, to really use it as smart design. But also for more simple parts, there will be the possibilities, if you have low quantities, to be competitive with the additive manufacturing technology. So the real challenge in the future will be to tap the potential for serious production. Therefore, it will be essential to get to a close collaboration between design and manufacturing. We expect additive manufacturing to contribute significantly to future production, not only in the aerospace industry, but also in many other industries. Today, we are at the very beginnings of this new technology, and we see a big potential in the future for new design, new innovative designs in the use of this technology.